Hello parents, today's video is for you. Okay, if you are having these kind of kids like 1 year and above or 6 months and above, then this video is for you. Okay, so I have some collections of toys that are required for these age groups. Okay, so what you need for this age? Children at this age grasp easily and bite and chew what they get in their hand. So you know all these things. So that's why you want to engage them in toys. We need budget friendly toys to engage them and learn. This is the third point. So the first book I recommend, Snowy Soft 6-piece baby book set. You can see in the pictures what you got in this set. Okay, and these are 100% safety, made with polyester fiber and filled with cotton inside. Okay, so if they want to bite and chew, nothing will happen. Okay, and if they want to tear also, that also doesn't happen. Okay, the second one is Little's nesting eggs. So they are going to nest the eggs. Okay, so in this they are having motor skills, sight skills, they can see the colors. Okay, and the reasoning skills, how many eggs are there. Then the third one is DeWelling's baby plastic first block sorter. Okay, they are going to sort the letters and say their respective shapes. Okay, so if you want more information regarding these toys, then I am going to give you in description the links. I am going to give you more toys links. Thank you for watching.